The Rsrteng IPC-5100 Plus camera tester handles very high-resolution network and coaxial cameras, making it suitable for modern 8K and 4K surveillance systems. Its bright 5.4-inch touchscreen with full high-definition resolution makes focusing and configuring cameras in the field much easier on the eyes. Built-in support for power over Ethernet, including power output and cable diagnostics, lets installers power cameras and verify cabling without extra gear. The tester includes dedicated tools for major brands and on-VIF devices, so it works smoothly across mixed camera environments on larger jobs. With wireless connectivity, media playback, and the ability to install Android applications, it doubles as a versatile handheld workstation on site. Extras like snapshot and video recording, a built-in light, and support for both high-definition and VGA inputs help streamline troubleshooting and documentation during installations.